Motion notes. When we talk about an object in motion, we are describing its speed, velocity, and acceleration. Speed is the distance traveled in a certain amount of time. The units for speed will always be a unit of distance over a unit of time. Examples: meters per second, kilometers per hour, miles per hour. The formula for speed equals distance divided by time. People often use the word speed when they mean velocity. Velocity is a speed in a given direction. Since a moving object always travels in some direction, velocity is a more precise term for describing motion. Example: 90 miles per hour east, 30 kilometers per hour towards grandmother's house, or 10 miles per hour to Kenilmer Middle School. Acceleration. Acceleration is a change in an object's velocity or a change in the object's speed or direction. Examples of velocity: if an object speeds up, that is positive acceleration. If an object slows down, that's negative acceleration. And another example of acceleration: if an object turns. So here we're going to talk about how to calculate speed. A car race is 500 kilometers long. It takes the winner 2 hours to complete it. How fast was he going? Remember, the formula is speed equals distance divided by time. 500 kilometers is my distance. 2 hours is my time. So 500 divided by 2, and my speed here would be 250 kilometers per hour. We take the units that are given to us for the distance and the time. Here's another problem. If Steve throws a football 50 meters in 2.5 seconds, what is the average speed of the football? Remember, the formula is speed equals distance divided by time. I'm going to give you a few moments to work this problem out, and then we'll check the answer together. Okay, so our distance is 50 meters. Our time is 2.5 seconds. So 50 divided by 2.5, and we get 20. The units will be meters per second. So the average speed of the football is 20 meters per second. Here's another example. It is 320 kilometers to Las Vegas. If you average 80 kilometers per hour, how long would it take you to get there? So, how long is telling me I need to solve for time. Alright, so I'll give you a few moments to solve for time. Okay, so to solve for time, my formula would be distance divided by speed. So 320 kilometers divided by 80 kilometers per hour. and we get 4 hours. To get the units here, the kilometers cancel each other out and we're left with the hours. Here's another problem. You are going on a trip. You average 80 kilometers per hour for 6 hours. How far did you go? So this problem we need to solve for distance. How far is telling me what is my distance. So we have 80 kilometers per hour, which is the speed, and 6 hours, which is the time. So I need to solve for distance. To solve for distance, the formula would be speed times time. So 80 kilometers times 6 hours, and we get 480 kilometers for the distance. The hours here cancel out and we're left with kilometers.